What's going on, my stock market bulls and bears? I'm your host, Terry, and welcome to my channel, Buy the Dip, guys. Stick around the end of this video. I'm going to show you something really cool. We got a whole new setup, and I'm going to do a little video walk behind of what's going on. This is just the beginning stages of it. We got monitors and stuff coming, got a new computer, so if you care about that stuff, stay to the end. Guys, today we're going to talk about 3 stocks that I am watching for this week coming up. And I believe all 3 of these stocks are currently in a buy zone. So I think we're just going to go in, talk about these 3 stocks, and explain why I like them and why do I think they're a buy. So guys, hope you all are ready for today's video. If you are, hit that thumbs up and join the thumbs up nation. So guys, let's get to it. Alright guys, and of course the first stock we're going to talk about is my Bay LCA. Oh no, that's right, it's not LCA anymore. GNOG, I'm just messing with you guys, of course we know that. But anyway guys, today we're talking about Golden Nugget Online Gaming, man. Of course this has to be number 1 on my watch list. At these prices guys, at $20.29, I'll be curious to see where the market opens up tomorrow on this. So this has to be number 1 guys. I just put out the last 2 days, I put out a part 1 and a part 2 of the investor presentation of Golden Nugget Online Gaming, going over all of the reasons why I believe this stock is going to be the future of iGaming. So if you did not see those videos, please just go back the last 2 days on my channel. You will see them of Golden Nugget, guys. As you know, I've been covering Golden Nugget since July, end of July on this channel. I've been doing videos on Golden Nugget when it was $11, $12, $13, so doing them here at 20. I'm okay with it. I'm still up, as you guys know, 110 shares at an average cost of $13, $14. Now, I'm kind of curious if this thing dips. Like I told you, I got shares on my Fidelity account. I even bought some shares now on my Webull account because I know this is such a good deal. That the only problem with Webull and Fidelity is that when you transfer money over, it takes like 3 to 5 days. But Robinhood will instantly credit your account that money to get trading right away. So if this thing dips, do not be surprised if I end up purchasing 5, 10 shares. If this thing dips down into under 20 something, I may just have to scoop it up for a short-term investment. That's right, because as you know, I plan on keeping those 100 shares to do covered calls. When this thing gets up above $30, what I plan on doing, start getting those weekly premiums hopefully when that updates on the options play. But guys, I still think that I can only highly suggest if you were in Golden Nugget, you may have been out of Golden Nugget, but at these prices, you cannot let these go by without taking another opportunity and getting back in at these prices. And you're getting this at a discount, guys. All I can say, this is a huge discount for where this stock was going to go. If we go back here and look at the chart, this thing spiked up really good right here. Now I know this was higher than this. It was actually 27 something, but Robinhood said 26.14. It might have went to 27 after hours. And then right there, it all spiked down and it's slowly on the way back up. But you guys know, we've been covering this for months, going over 5 months now on the channel. This is just the bargain buy at these prices. And like I said, if you don't have it, you want to pick this one up. So guys, now I want to get in and talk about stock number 2. And let's see what it is. Can you guys guess what it is? Stock number 2. All right, guys. And stock number 2, of course, is going to be ticker symbol APXT, Apex Technology, guys. As you know, we're invested in this stock as well. We scroll down here. I have 70 shares at an average cost of $13.91. Even with the current dip, we're still up 8.47%, up $82. So we're still up 8% in that investment. As we know, back here to end of December, this thing was up to $16.96. Also at $16.98. And along with other stocks, as we know, the reason these stocks sold off on the 28th is because of the tax loss sell-off. That's right. Businesses had through the end of the year, December 28th, for tax loss sell-off. So all these big businesses and corporations started to sell off their shares, guys. And that's exactly what happened. As you saw, Golden Nugget. Look how many other companies out there that have been pretty popular. They all sold off on the 28th. So that makes perfect sense. Tax loss sell-off day for tax purposes for 2020. So with that being said, I feel this is a company going into 21, and sometime in the first quarter, we're going to get that merger. So we'll go through a little bit of drama with the SEC filings and all this, probably have a couple amendments. Stock price is going to be a little volatile these next couple months. As we saw with Golden Nugget, you do these SEC filings, they'll get them ready, and there's always a change or an amendment last minute because they want to change it. So I think that's going to be similar to this one possibly. But I think after this gets merged through, we'll probably have a similar thing. These SPACs, they get up really high, and then they dip after the merger. It seems to be what happens. But long-term growth on this company is what I'm after, guys. I'm still looking to get my 100 shares. So I still got to buy 30 more shares at some point. So I'm looking at this week. If there's possibly any more of a dip, I'm not really caring about my average price right now, but I would like this to get down a little bit lower to keep it closer to 14 as I can as we look at this chart. One thing I do like that I wanted to show you guys is on the investor presentation, there is this category here. And this is one of the reasons after looking at this category is why I really like AVEPOINT after we get to the merger and it's all official. Not only, as you know, most businesses or stocks we invest in, guys, they're kind of customer based in one category. Like Golden Nugget, in a sense, is categorized for gambling. Other companies is categorized for certain things. But look at this here. AVEPOINT. They have people in communications from NBC, Disney, ESPN, guys. So a lot of other companies under communications category. Look at the retail and consumer. Bridgestone, Caterpillar, Hershey's, Honda, P&G. As you can see, Rolex, Nestle, Mattel, Kodak. A lot of companies here, they are helping in the retail consumers. Look at the pharma and health, guys. We got Pfizer in there. We got St. Jude Medical. We got Delta Dental and a couple other ones in here as well. Look at the financial services people, guys. Look at all the people AVEPOINT helps in financial services. Charles Schwab, Citi, Fidelity, H&R Block, Bank of America, Liberty Mutual, MetLife, JP Morgan, Progressive. You get the hint. So if we go down here now and look at the government and education that they work with the IRS. AVEPOINT works with the IRS. Look at these next two right here. They also work with U.S. Treasury Department, U.S. Department of the State. They also work with Environment Canada, NASA, NewYorkCity.gov, guys. They work with Freddie Mae. So, and if we go over here to the last category they work with is high technology, Hitachi, HP, Parsons, Texas Instrument, guys. So as you see, one thing I like is that AVEPOINT works with a wide variety of potential business customers, guys. So that is why I'm really liking this as we get into the first quarter of 21 now. Like I said, it's going to be a little rocky road. We're just not going to go to the moon right away. I know you guys got to keep your patience in here. But this is one you get your 100 shares of. I think I'm going to do the same thing with this one, guys. After we get it sometime in the first quarter, start doing those covered calls. But I will let you know when it's time. I know I've been telling you this for a couple months now. But it'll all pan out here in 21 when we start doing covered calls on Golden Nugget and we start doing covered calls on Apex and we start getting those weekly premiums coming in, guys. So I'll be excited to bring that to you. So, guys, let's get in and talk about the third stock I'm going to be watching this week. So, guys, let's get to number 3. All right, guys, and real quick, of course, I'm going to keep an eye on Tattooed Chef. You guys know we were back as in the beginning of December. We had options contracts because all our money was tied up in those other first 2 stocks we were talking about, along with also Genius Brands. But this is about Tattooed Chef. So, guys, as you know, this is one we only had options calls on, and I'm loving the future of Tattooed Chef. As you guys know, you've probably been seeing over these last few weeks. There's a couple other big YouTubers now covering this, as of Meet Kevin and also Financial Education Jeremy. So those 2 guys have been covering this as well. I think people have been telling me Stockmo has been talking about Tattooed Chef as well, guys. But look at these contracts I did here, guys. We did this on the channel, and congratulations to anyone that bought these with me. We bought 3 contracts from November 30th and 2 on December 1st. We spent a total of $165, guys, on 3 contracts. Look at what we sold them for. The $20 contract, we sold it on December 10th for $40. 100% double up. we sold the, I guess you would say the $80 contract. We sold that for $200. So that was like 150%, 200% gain roughly that we got on that. And guys, as you know, on the 21st, we sold that last contract for $460. So we sold all 3 contracts for $700, guys, and we only had in $165. So a gain of $535 gains on Tattooed Chef. So you best believe I want to keep my eye on this stock for the future. Now, I'd like to get it under 20. I just don't know if it's ever going to go there, but may want to pick up another options, may just want to start grabbing some shares, start accumulating. So this is why I've chosen Tattooed Chef as number 3 on the list, because this stock has a huge potential in the future. So I think all 3 of these, we got Golden Nugget for gambling, we got AVEPOINT for the cloud-based technology, and we got Tattooed Chef for the plant-based food industry in the future. So all 3 have bright futures, guys. So if you all enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up, join the Thumbs Up Nation. I love and appreciate every single one of you. And guys, I'm going to roll the clip I was telling you about at the beginning of the new setup. So hope you all enjoy it. You guys are the best. I will catch you in the next one. Peace! All right, guys, this is a sneak peek of the new setup. I just wanted to show you this. Got a new computer desk. Of course, got that hung up so you guys can see it in the videos. Got a new chair. Got a new computer. And I'm waiting on my new monitors to be delivered, guys. I got 2 32-inch monitors coming. And I'm going to have 1 monitor over there and 1 monitor currently where the laptop is at. And guys, it is going to be great. I'm so excited for this, for the channel and the upgrades we got. Guys, also got a new webcam. Wanted to show you that as well. Got the Logitech webcam, HD webcam. And of course, you guys know I have the Yeti Nano, the blue. So guys, channel is getting upgraded. Hope you all are ready for this.